Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as SecuraByte. So let's get started. So the first interface looks quite cool to me. It says invest to SecuraByte protocol. Okay, we'll see why should we invest. So let me give a brief overview of this project. SecuraByte protocol is an autonomous yield and liquidity generation protocol. No need to provide liquidity to receive rewards. SecuraByte have a multifunctional system which gives staking, farming and liquidity provider rewards without staking or providing liquidity, which is amazing. Simply hold Byte SecuraByte in your wallet and you will get rewarded. On each transaction, SecuraByte protocol automatically distributes reward to holder and auto locks liquidity. SecuraByte combines yield, farming, staking, liquidity mining, and governance reward in a single system with doing anything. SecuraByte combines yield farming, staking, liquidity mining, and governance rewards in a single system. SecuraByte protocol is built to reward holders while increasing in both value and liquidity. SecuraByte charges 8% tax on each transaction, 3% tax is redistributed to all byte holders, 5% tax goes to liquidity forever after splitting it to 50-50 in BNB and Byte. Its main feature is permanent burn in black hole. They will burn 50% of the total supply after of byte launch and send it to the black hole address. As this address also participates in the protocol, it accumulates more tokens, effectively removing them from circulation. It helps in scarcity of SecuraByte. Auto-locking liquidity, which is 5% of each transaction is locked to liquidity forever. This contributes to lower volatility and a continuously increasing price floor. Number 3 feature is that staking rewards in BNB or BUSD. SecuraByte also in plans to have a different staking system in which Byte staker can earn BUSD or BNB as a reward depending upon their availability of funds. Number 4 feature is that NFT conceptualization and NFT marketplace. SecuraByte also in plans to introduce Secura NFTs and its NFTs marketplace, as we all know that this is era of NFT after DeFi. So let's have a quick look of tokenomics section of this project. So there is maximum supply of 1 quadrillion in which initial burn of 500 trillion will take place and pre-sale of 250 trillion. Liquidity, in liquidity they have 200 trillion, in marketing they have 25 trillion, and for team they have reserved 25 trillion. Their soft cap is 50 BNB and their hard cap is 100 BNB. So as you people know, every crypto project must have a roadmap, so where they would state their future goals to investor to know that what the project is going to do in future. So as for this project, let's see what their roadmap says. In Q1 2021, research and analysis team for SecuraByte. In Q2 2021, SecuraByte conceptualization, website and social profiles, token sale, PancakeSwap listing, CMC and CoinGecko listing application, smart contract auditing. Yeah, for CMC I remember that they are on trending. Let's see, they are on biggest gainer number 2. That's amazing, with a gain percentage of 626.75%. Amazing. Q3 2021, listing on multiple exchanges. Yeah, that's the main thing. Partnership with other projects, planning of NFTs and NFTs marketplace. Yes, NFTs take place after DeFi. Staking conceptualization, Q4 2021, NFT conceptualization, NFT marketplace, listing on more exchanges, further development. In Q1 2022, they would introduce a new roadmap. This project is on second on CMC in top gainer. So let's have what this CMC say about them. So its price is 0.000000701 with a gain percentage of 16.52%. Wow. And the chart is showing so much up and down. Yeah, on Thursday, which was 5th May, their chart had a little pumped, and after that it have a dip period and people invested in it and it pumped again. Now after that they have on 6th May they have a static chart, and after that it pumped again because people invested on this point, and now it's again in dip period, so maybe it rise again. So the price is super low. If you want to invest in it, you can, because with this much price you can buy as much coin as you want and gain 100x potential investment. You will regain your return of investment with higher potential. So the last 24-hour trading volume of SecuraByte is 1,560,000 USD. Secure Byte protocol is up to 19.16% in last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 2705 with a live market cap of not available. The circulating supply is not available. So the max supply of 500 trillion. A lot. So let's have a look at their social media to see if they are active there, because people want to know more about these events, that what are they organizing in future. So social media should be updated with time to time. Their Twitter is named as Secure Byte Protocol with 87 tweets, with a follower numbered in 3,186. Their last post was on May 5th. We know we have 4,000 holders. This is insane. 2k additional holder in half an hour. Yeah, in half an hour, because it is listed in top gainer in CMC, and people would think about it there, what kind of coin is this, and people would invest in it. You should also, this is not a financial advice, by the way. Yeah, so we would say congratulations. They say we are now on CMC. Congratulations for that too. Yeah, so it shows that they are updated on their Twitter, because it's very vital to update it on their Twitter, so the audience would know that you are a real coin, and you aren't a scam. They also have a medium here. You can clear your doubts by reading through all these blogs, and before investing in it you should, because research is a part of investment. They also got two telegrams. One is just for announcements, and the other is for members, where admins would reply you and clear your doubts. Let's see if they answer me quickly. Hello admin. Nice, they have arranged a chatbot. Let's see if the human admin is online or not, or is super fast to reply or not. We'll see it in a couple of minutes. Let's have a look at some charts. Yeah, so they also have a white paper. If you want to know more about them, you can visit the white paper. Let me show you. Yeah, introduction, their overview, token economics, roadmap, features, the team, and thank you. See you in our community. That's pretty much for the white paper. White paper actually ensures that you are a real coin. Yeah, so we got them on PooCoin. So you can see the gain period, like 27 April it was on top, then it have a dip period, a little bit of bump, and after on this point on 4th May people invested and make it here, like on 5th May it reach a top, and candles are blasting the graph here. You can see the circulating supply here. Let's see how many transfers are made here. More than 19,000 transfers have been made of Secure Byte with a holder of 9,260. 7 seconds ago, 25 seconds ago, 34 seconds, 40 seconds. So people are just buying and selling these tokens, because people are mad about it. Look, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. People are doing a lot of trading in this coin, and they are buying it from, I guess, PancakeSwap. Yeah, so they take me to PancakeSwap. Yes, they are listed on PancakeSwap, where you can select BNB. I understand. Continue. You can select BNB here, connect your wallet, maybe MetaMask or Trust Wallet, any wallet you have, and from BNB you can select this Secure Bytes ticker, and then you can swap it for BNB and buy this coin. That's the way to buy it. Let's see if the admins have replied me yet. No, they haven't. That's weird. Maybe they are doing something important. So the contact address is mentioned at the bottom of the page. If you want to check it, you can. I will leave the website link of this website in the description below, where you can do your own research and and to check out their white paper. They are also listed on GitHub, where you can see their source codes. They are free to have. They are free. You can use it for yourself too. So as an overview, I would say that people are mad about this coin because it's a top gainer, and it may be ranked it's ranked second in top gainer, with a gain percentage of 626.75. That's a lot. So if you want to invest in it, you can. It's a best opportunity for you to gain from this token. Price is super low, and you can buy a lot of coins and then trade it when price go up, and you can earn 100x for a return of investment. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope you like the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave our Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description below, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.